gonna be flying out to San Francisco soon, heading to Long Beach, and then to Portland, Oregon, and then to our final destination in Anchorage, Alaska.
Yeah, a little bit.
Right, here we go.
A little bit here.
Here we go, see, here we go.
Here.
It's first flight.
No.
It's first flight. Good, huh? Eat some bread. See, what you doing? Alright, so we're about 35,000 close to Anchorage, Alaska. Nope. That's Anchorage, Alaska right there. Well, not Anchorage yet, but Alaska. Well, we might be lower than 35,000 feet now. It seems like we're going down. Alright, gonna be touchdown soon. Soon. Anything to say? Nothing? Nope. We are here. We made it to Alaska. So we're driving around here with Clark Lee. He is originally from Fresno, California. So Clark, what do you think about Alaska?
It's pretty cool.
Like it here? Grandma wants to know. Say your name. Okay, introduce yourself to Grandma again.
You are Jordan, and you are Alina.
And what about you? What's your name? I think we know you already. Okay, let's go over here. Alright, introduce yourself to Grandma again. Grandma haven't seen you guys in a couple years. Say your name to Grandma.
Leah. Johnny.
Are you sure you're not Timmy? You kind of look like Timmy. Okay. 你到了拍喏，那楼前呢？
Wait,
Yung
what's
masama
your
siya,
wife?
niya.
What's niya?
My name is Jonathan.
Jonathan, okay. Moose in the city. Here in Alaska. Beautiful creature.
Hello.
Going right now to downtown Anchorage, heading that way. good. Anchorage, Alaska. We are here at Anchorage, Alaska. I believe that's the Fifth Avenue Mall behind me, and this is the city view right here. The ocean right over there, ocean.
That's a mall. Yeah. You can enter that.
The sun's in my eye, but bear with me. My mountains back here. There's Paua and Johnny. Where's the other guy? Where's Jordan? Where'd Jordan go to? Where'd you go, Jordan? We lost Jordan. Oh, there he is. Oh, he doesn't want to be in the video. That's why. Anchorage, Alaska. Nice sunny day. It rained a lot earlier this morning, but now it's sunny. Yeah, I think we're high enough. We don't need smoke. No, wait. Bass Pro Anchorage, Alaska. We are here. Salmon's behind me. I don't have my gimbal on me, so this is gonna have to do. Closer to the salmon. Ooh, look at all those fishes. That's pretty. Back this way. Guys over here. It's grizzly bear right there. Polo bear right there.